Hi guys, I'm here at Stop and Shop. Come to pick up a few stuff, guys, because it's going to snow tomorrow. Getting up to 8 to 12 inches of snow, guys, and I'm here in Stop and Shop. You don't want to see the line behind me, right? I mean, in front of me right now. It's ridiculous. Okay, guys, so I'm just leaving Stop and Shop. It's crazy out here, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm going home now. I'm gonna go home and make a smoothie for the kids. Stop and Shop over there, guys. Stop and Shop over there. This was a parking lot, guys, so I'm going home. Okay, guys, so I just got home. I'm back in the house. I just got back from Stop and Shop. I didn't pick up much stuff, guys, but I pick up what I think I needed. And I'm just been prepping myself for ahead of tomorrow's snowstorm, guys. They say that we're gonna get up to 8 to 12 inches of snow tomorrow. So I just ran out real quick, to grab a few essentials. However, my kids doesn't eat food, guys. So I bought some Ensures for them. I bought chocolate and strawberries. Oh, strawberries and vanilla. This is for my mom, guys. My mom-in-law. She likes vanilla, guys. So I have vanilla. And she put the chocolate in the fridge. And I have the strawberry over here. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and make a little smoothie for the kids because they don't eat food. You know they cannot go without food. And I bought some Grace Jack mackerel. Where are my Jamaican folks? And I bought some Grace Vienna sausage, guys. Another Jack mackerel. I got 4 of them, guys. And here is the other 2. I bought 2 garlic plantain chips, guys. And I got myself some rough top to munch on. I got myself a peppermint tea, guys. And I got 6 Vienna sausages. I show you guys 2 already. And here is the other 4. And a bag of tangerine. The kids love tangerine, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick smoothie for them, guys, with some of the Ensure. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. So right here in my smoothie bowl blender, I have some sea moss, guys. Guys, my daughters is very picky. They're telling me what they want in there. They don't drink anything. So I have my sea moss here. And then here in this bowl, I have some cut up strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and have that in there, guys. Just put it in there. Then, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a few blueberries in there. I have frozen blueberries, guys, in my Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put some blueberries in there, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and put 1.5 tablespoon of oatmeal, guys. Quaker oats. Yes, guys. Guys, they don't like the mix up and the blend and the mix up and the blend. What they have to eat, right? So if they don't eat, they gotta drink something healthy. They say that they want the chocolate. They want the chocolate Ensure, guys. So go ahead and put some chocolate Ensures in there. There you have it, guys. And then Guys, I like to add my little extra to it. I'm gonna put a little bit of my vanilla extract in there. Not too much. Just a little bit. Because they will start coming and ask me what is that taste, guys. So I don't want that. And then I'm gonna screw on the lid, smoothie bowl, guys. Bolt. Put it over here. Screw it on.
You gonna come out hot?
And then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna crush it.
Hey guys!
Guys, I love this little girl here, man. My little ride or die. Okay, guys, so if smoothie is ready now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out, guys. I didn't put too much stuff in there because I know they're picky. They're gonna tell me, Mommy, I don't want it. It don't taste good. They already tell me what they want in there. Chocolate, guys. Chocolate. Woo. Guys, it looks so creamy. With the sea moss in there too. Look at that, guys. I ain't gonna give them too much. Just give them half a cup. So something I know that they will drink off, guys. And they will have the rest tomorrow. There you go. Guys, come.
Oh!
Come try this. Let the people them know how it tastes.
Okay, super purple.
They can see you guys.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me adjust my camera.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Tell them how it tastes. You like it?
Super good.
Why you have your hat flick up like that? Oh God. Guys, let's see how she have her hat on her head.
I give this a
You like it?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10 or 10 out of 100?
10 out of 100.
Okay, guys, so she said she give the smoothie 10 out of 100.
I give it.
100 out of 100.
I give it a 300 out of a 10 out of 300.
Okay. They choose the chocolate flavor, guys. Guys, I don't like chocolate. Because when I eat chocolate, guys, the polka dot my face. I have a lot of polka dot. Let's see. Let me come closer so you can see my polka dot. See, I have one right there. I have that's one right there. They're clearing up. They have one up there. I have some around here. I have a dark spot there. I have another dark spot here. Guys, I don't do chocolate.
I have a
Here.
bump up here, but I just took my bump off.
Okay, guys, so I have a little leaf here in the blender, in the smoothie blender. So they will have this tomorrow, guys.
I might bring this to school, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's so good.
So, guys, right now your girl is eating some rough tops, some rough top cookies, and I'm drinking some oatmeal porridge that I make, guys. But I blend the oatmeal, so it look like tea, guys. Look like Ardix tea. So guys, please don't forget to go over to Cooking with Kimisha and subscribe, guys. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, please go ahead and do so. So when I upload a new video, you will be notified, guys. And please don't forget to tell your friend as well. And share the link. And thank you guys for the love and the support that you guys been showing me. I really appreciate it, guys. And it means the world to me. Keep it coming, guys. Keep subscribing. Keep the love coming. You know, it mean everything to me, guys. I might not have words right now to say what I want to say, but you guys are in my heart. So keep the love coming, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.